The control panel on our Rinnai water heater will not turn on. I did confirm that the outlet has power. Any suggestions? Thanks.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name isXXXXX will do my best to help you figure out your problem or the best course of action. How are you today? Can you give me the model number of your tankless?
I'm doing well, hope you are also.
Fine, thank you.
Model is our 85+.
The control panel, are you referring to the front of the tankless itself or the remote control unit?
The front of the tankless.
Do you have a remote control unit attached?
Yes. It is not showing no power also.
Okay, have you checked the fuse inside of the tankless?
No. How do you do that?
I am looking up the specs for your tankless right now. Do you have your owner/operation manual?
We do.
It should explain, you need to unplug the unit. Remove front cover, look on the PCB circuit board for a fuse, pull it out and see if it is gone.
Okay. Will do. Thanks.
You are welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.